Ew.
Hello guys,
I want
welcome
to be a
back to my
potato.
channel.
Potato man!
Aaron, wait
Potato.
lang. Aaron, oh! Oy,
Ew,
patay
what is
yan!
that?
Okay, by the way guys,
Ew.
we are calling me and Aaron, my old classmate, who is 75 years old.
What?
Nothing. And also, he's my grade 2 classmate. Ay! Okay guys, by the way, he's 75 years old if y'all didn't hear it.
I hate you.
So by the way guys, we are going to use a lot of effects. Now let's try the Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man!
Uy, ba't lalaki ako? Di naman ako lalaki eh.
Spider-Man is good at mewing, look.
Nag-mew ako guys pag hindi ninyo alam.
Spider-Man mewing.
How about yung ito? How about yung ito?
Ah, start.
Ba't ayaw
Wait, one
yung...
more.
Oo nga. Ito na lang yung... Oh, yung rock, paper, scissors na lang.
Bunny, I'm so funny when you're funny now. Bunny, you're so funny with the little nose.
Oy, ba't nakabaliktad?
Bunny, you're so funny with your little nose. Bunny, you're funny with your little nose. Bunny, you're so funny with your twitching nose. Bunny, you're so funny. Twitching nose. Bunny, yes. With your twitching nose. Bunny, you're so funny with your twitching nose.
Oy, ba't nakabaliktad?
Bunny, you're so funny with your twitching nose. Bunny, you're so funny. Yo, what's happening to the screen? Stop!
Aaron, stop ka muna. May sasabihin ako sa mga viewers. Okay, so guys, thank you para sa ano yung tawag? 690 subscribers.
Do not subscribe to her because she is 7 years old and she's trying to get
9 ako.
it banned on YouTube. Do not subscribe to her, guys.
Guys, subscribe to me.
Actually, just not. She is 7 years old while I'm 13. Ban her right now.
Yep,
Ban
you know,
her.
I ended the call and he was lying. So, I was 9 years old and I started in 6 years old. Wait, I'm gonna chat him. Bye. And our chief, done. Bye, guys!